Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the Forms API and creating an OAuth 2.0 client. This gives your app an identity. Once done, install the Google Client Library so you can call the API directly. Now authenticate with the downloaded JSON credentials and request scopes for Forms, read-only or Forms, body. Make sure to run the Quick Start sample to exchange codes for tokens. This validates credentials. This initial flow ensures your app can securely create and modify forms programmatically. Once authenticated, you create a form object using Forms. Create and capture the returned form ID. This is your primary handle. Then build a batch update payload to add items like text, multiple choice, or page break. Batching reduces network trips and preserves ordering. Make sure to include client item ID for idempotency and to track edits. Also fetch the updated form with Forms. Get to confirm changes. By structuring updates in batches, you reduce race conditions and keep the form consistent. Finally, collect and process responses using Forms. Responses. List or subscribe to push notifications if you need real-time handling. You can programmatically export entries or link to a Google Sheet as the response destination. This simplifies analysis. When publishing, confirm permissions so respondents can access the form. If something breaks, refresh the OAuth token, recheck scopes, and validate that form ID and request ID match. That single troubleshooting step resolves most 401/403 and mismatch issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.